Area TV na the place to get correct informate. With clean environment people them. Now me Lady AJ, the original voice, the queen of clean Delta, and I don't enter studio. Don't thunder for we program we environment. Matter. Environment they clean, they beautiful. You go love them, you know, healthy, sari environment. Your body it go they sweet you. But when you wake up for morning, you come outside, you say okay, make you walk out for road. You come outside from your compound, you look road, you look gutter. Where you they go? You see now so dirty. Knife everywhere serve the that kind of one. You know go dey happy. Maybe not make many people get this gra character for this we state. Okay, now if you enter market to buy things or even waka pass the market, okay, with your leg you waka pass the market, you even drive past the things where your eye go they see for them, the eye go just they turn, you go just they turn on you. Why? Because the eye they pain you because of the dirty way full inside the market and even outside the market. Your nose self go they worry you because the place they smell they wounds. Even the leg self go they shook you. Why? Because the market they tight for old up. So you see say even the leg it go they pain you too. So today now make we want to enter with markets, make we see why them they tight and why them they dirty. Today I carry the Udo PSP chairman. He dey here with us. His name na Emmanuel Ugaga Omavorowo. Emmanuel, we welcome you to our program today. Make you say hello to we listener them.
Hello listener, good afternoon all of you now. As we did put mouth for this market matter. Well, by the grace of God, we get a lot to talk about our markets today. We get the good ones when they try, and we get the ones where we say now bad market now be for the same matter because if you enter the market, no be this way they say I go turn belle go turn you inside. Some of our market, the way they teach them at inside small they go.
Okay, poko for you, bros, Ima. So you don't hear say many things there for us to talk about. We market them. You know, for this we program, we get different color of flags where we they give our environment. You know, we go bring them come out today for our program. You know, we don't keep the flags them since, but time don't reach for us to bring out those flags. We get the green flag. You know, when we say the green flag, it means say that area is they very clean. You see, say for our program last, everybody where they call, they say main market, and the only clean market where they know. So our green flag we carry and give them main market people. The red flag, the red flag now for area where dirty use and take touch ground. Then we get the yellow flag. No, that one for place where they confuse. The place not too clean, not too dirty, just they confused. Now that kind of place now we they throw away with yellow flag they give. So chairman, now make we look at this with market now with your own eye, because you say some day dirty belle go they turn you when you enter some. So now you go tell us now from your own eye, say the market them. How you see the market? It easy for leg or for motor to waka pass with market?
Real for leg motor to waka pass with market. Now very few market too. Like we dey talk now say main market na green flag. Yes. Why? Now because of say the management of that place, they package their market way. Because I remember say main market might be the only market for the full warrior and environment. We say that they evacuate their dirty 2 times a week. Because of good management. Unlike some market, let's say good market, I know say that one the red flag go reach 3. Because to waka
the red flag for the same for
now wahala for inside market, don't talk of drive motor pass. Wetin dey cause am? Management. The management of the market, their eye for money when they go put for their pocket too much. They call they forget the relevant part, our heads. They call forget that part. You could say their own to come enter market, collect money for their own commode. Okay, make they assign some money for people who go they clear the market every week, or like main market they do 2 times a week for where everybody there after wetin they go shop. Whether the money where they come from gutter, they no one know. The whole market now na apology. You go enter market, some places self to pull leg na problem. Then I don't want to talk on the market because a good market. Now I come back to my own. The few market where they will do at least like we do market, I will give a yellow flag. Then they try.
They confused.
They confused because the sanitation what they do every week. Some week they go do, some week they not go do. Jubale market, I give a red flag. Though they do sanitation every week, but the once a week no reach for a market like Jubale, because if you reach there, they use head, they hit head. Stock jam each other, you no go see where pass. And you know, say all those markets where they sell food stuff, they generate dirty every day. So for you to do sanitation for that kind of market once a week, it no make sense. So make the management of Jubale market, Express Junction market, Oruguru market, Ubogo market, make them devise a means so that they go evacuate their dirty 2 times a week, so that the market go dey neat. Make we emulate better thing, no be only bad thing that they imitate. Make we imitate main market, where they carry their dirty 2 times a week. The place neat. If you go there, if you want eat for there, you go happily eat for there, because the place neat.
Okay, thank you very much. So main market may still hold with green flags, and the rest market where we see say they dirty now red flag, better one now we drop for that we see say the place. So you know any market where you go now, Ekun, Abraka, Efuru, even the Jubale where you mention, Igbudu, that one people don't they complain, they call sis Ubogo market. If you like even carry rich Ugeli self, Utobodo market, all the markets there for the state, you see say traders. They don't like to sell inside market. I don't know which kind of character, that kind of character where people just get say until they go across the walkway, until they shade on top of the gutter, you'll see say they'll say they know sell market or waiting. I don't really understand this kind of character. Now normal character now we people think say they get so.
That one, it be like say like as we talk, it be like say na to sell for outside the market, now they take do their useki. Because I don't see any reason why roadside go full with shops. If you enter some of the market inside, you no see anybody inside, but they block road.
You know say they go dey complain say government no provide market for us o, but we come use our leg take waka reach there. We say empty stores full inside the market, but they prefer to carry umbrella, to carry their table, put for outside the dirty, and they make everywhere they tight anyhow.
As I take talk, e be like say na their useki be that, because I no understand. If you go rural market for example now, all the shops lock, but if you come road, they follow road, motor drag road, they follow keke drag road. I don't know why they feel now only when they take for the roadside, then they will take sell market. So it good. If you shade for inside, nobody do the roadside. Who won't buy go? I can't come meet you. Nobody when you carry your this thing and they put your life for risk. Be say before you go sell market. So the thing they very funny. And our government officials make they still try to enforce them, because like this morning now, reach Jubale market, they tie red cloth for some places. They tell them anybody wear shade past that red pieces, you go pay fine of 5,000 naira. So if you continue for all the market like that, change could be.
You go tell us how the market for your area them how it be. The market it deserve our green flag. I been at the yellow one or na the red flag. Now the market deserve. And why it be say those traders, people wey dey sell for market, they prefer to they carry their things where they sell, put for middle of road, put for corner of road before they fit say they go fit sell market. So Brosima, me looking like this. You know say apart from say traders now say they block road where people suppose waka pass, you know where legs suppose waka pass, where motor suppose waka pass, they block everywhere. I don't know that they don't really understand. Say they expose themselves to danger. For example, now motor fit even run. Just miss break now, go feel run, enter them for where there's shade put. They not just care about all those ones. They often say, I beg now for us to get money now be the main trend. From waiting it gather be say it too. I say a good may government still bring down the shop rent so that people go happily move go inside the market. They talk about the safety of the people. Make we really make them understand say it is safe. For them to shade for inside, not be for roadside, because of something like when motor now run into them.
The problem is say safety of those people na their hand e dey. Wetin dey make am hungry join. They hungry because many of them when they see so like wetin Jagaban talk for that roadside where they shade, people see there they collect money from them, and they won't sell. At the end of the day, you come market, you pay how much for ticket to take sell for road. Then you won't sell get wetin you carry now, you after you sell comot your gain, you go carry money go market again. So make government really like make the government try to dey pay small thing from the store rent so that make it dey cheap for them, and make government all those people when they put make they dey monitor them, because I no see why somebody go dey sell for roadside you go dey collect money from am. If you tell them make they comot, they go follow you quarrel, tell say we pay for this place. So if government fit discourage that this thing, then the market management if they fit come out like wetin I see for Jubale this morning, if they fit practice am till the end, e go help. Anybody wey shade outside the gutter throway load.
Okay.
No collect money for am, cause the only reason why dem no fit throw their load, dem dey collect money for them. When you don collect money for the person wey don shade for them, how you wan take throway e load? So na the major problem wey we get.
Okay. Like what you talk concerning enforcement, now one thing where I believe say go really work for this with states, because the kind of character wey many people get for here, as you dey tell them say come out for this place, now that time they go even come park 100 sef come that particular place where you don't drive them for. Make say na black flag, we no get black we call add black join the 3 flags where we get, but maybe they offer all that red flag, because we believe say from that red it go enter green flag by the grace of God. So what will be your last word for we people today before we come out for we program?
My last word, like with our last caller talk, make the market master sit up to their work. Their work na to serve, no be to just collect money go sit down for office. Make they change, make they put things where people say go make the market clean. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now here we program will end today.